remember, hell, I didn't get in until it was way up here somewhere. But right here, right, this is the 2-minute EWO. This is the entry. So even on a knife drop, there's no way that would have got you out. Look, you bought here.
Okay. So on that, the EWO, and my mindset, a lot of times in scalping, I've got to go back to the EWO,
Yes.
and I can see the rationale now.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm glad you brought it up because those are two completely different trading styles. Yep.
Correct.
Yeah, so our scalps are tight. EWO is not. We need the loose. We need this, right? We need it to run, and it's got to go up, pull back, stair step. So if you can't afford these little moves, you're going to get stopped out every time it makes that move, right?
Yep.
Yeah, EWO is a looser style. Let it run. Once it's gone up and above and where we're supposed to be, we start to allow it more room to grow. Now look at this real quick. If Amazon is going to pull back, it's here. Why? What's 175? Why would it pull back here?
Resistance.
That's correct. Right? So this isn't panic town again. This is just its normal up resistance. Up resistance. Right?
Then you just keep playing it.
Yes, until it shows us, right? Until it shows us one way or the other, because it's either going to break or break, trade is still active. And if you're a scalper, well, hell, you're in your zone because you're buying puts, calls, puts, calls, puts, calls, puts.
Right.
Oh, boom, it breaks. I hit my stop. Now I'm going to call. Bang, there you go again, right?
Yep.
It's over until eventually it breaks one way or the other. You get stopped out. You hammer it the other way. And then you drive it all the way till either new low or new high. That's it. That's it. Game over. Bada boom, bada bing.